Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Crypto Takeover here, coming back with a Bitcoin cryptocurrency video. We're actually taking a look at ETH today because ETH has just passed its all-time high. It's hit our price target that we've made a video on actually a couple days ago, so you can go back and look at that video. We said that ETH was going to be breaking its all-time high over the weekend. We called that, and lo and behold, ETH broke its all-time high. Bitcoin sitting right at about 37,200, right around that area. So Bitcoin's still in its consolidation, but ETH has had a nice pump here, folks. So man, it's time to celebrate, and it's time to get the show on the road, folks. So we got a few articles here. ETH, the world's second largest cryptocurrency, is closing on its all-time high. Yes, it is. We are right there around the corner. Ethereum cryptocurrency sets all-time high price near near $1,400. Yes, sir, that is happening right now. So all the articles are coming out. ETH price finally beats 2018 all-time high, surpassing $1,400. Yes, it does. All right, cool. So let's take a look at the articles, jump over into the charts here a little bit, and let's go ahead and cue that intro and get started. All right, everyone, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that we all can be updated every single video that we make on this channel. You can see all of our price predictions, when we're calling the breakouts, when we got the videos coming out every single day. So you need to be subscribed to this channel, hit that notification bell, share this video with your friends and family so that way they can subscribe to us too as well. All right, taking a look at our first article here. Ethereum rallied to an intraday high of $1,400 on Tuesday, just shy of 1448 record, and it hit in early 2018. It comes after blistering rally for Bitcoin that saw the digital currency notch fresh highs. Okay, here we go. Ethereum is closing in its all-time high. The cryptocurrency, one of the many alternatives to Bitcoin, rallied as much as 17% on Tuesday to an intraday high of 1,439. According to the data industry website CoinDesk, that's just shy of 1448 record high in 2018, when major cryptocurrencies led by Bitcoin climbed a new high since slumping sharply later that year. Ether, the world's biggest cryptocurrency by market value, has almost doubled year to date. Bitcoin has been in the spotlight for several months now, thanks to blistering rally, which saw a notch fresh highs. The cryptocurrency shot up close to $42,000 a couple of weeks ago, and declined since then, last trading at $36,000. It is up almost 30% of this year and has surged more than 800% from its 2020 low in March. Bitcoin bulls say its rise has been helped by increased institutional buying and perception that it is uncorrelated safe haven asset akin to gold. On the other hand, skeptics in the traditional finance world, like economists, Bitcoin, it was in the original cryptocurrency created in 2019 as a peer-to-peer payment system that doesn't require central authority to maintain. Okay, cool. Yeah, so basically Ethereum, good news here that Ethereum is breaking its all-time highs. Let's take a look at our next article and move on from there. Ethereum's cryptocurrency price sets a new all-time high. Ether has broken its previous all-time high set in January 2018 with the rise above 1,439. The price of Ether, the native cryptocurrency of Ethereum blockchain network, soared to record levels early on Tuesday. Prices hit $1,439 around noon. That's a little over the previous all-time highs of $1,400 registered on CoinDesk. So I believe it was overnight that this happened. The digital asset rallied 12% Tuesday to reach its peak. Ethereum first hinted at a coming rally in previously unseen levels earlier this month, but fell victim to a brief market correction triggered by Bitcoin's 3.85% pullback from its 40,000 to 30,000 last week. Cryptocurrency has topped its previous bull market peak 2 months after Bitcoin surpassed its 2017 record price to hit new highs above $41,000 earlier this month. While ETH has trailed Bitcoin in its journey to new lifetime highs, it has outpaced the top cryptocurrency on year-to-date basis with a 92% gain. Bitcoin has risen 27% so far this year. Ether is up as well as 1,000% since the initial public sale of ETH in 2015. Ethereum's value proportion is a blockchain decentralized. Okay, and it just goes into the decentralized finance as a widely regarded best of Ethereum use case to date. DeFi markets enable permissions to automated lending, trading, and borrowing to anyone with internet connection. The market recently surpassed $22 billion in total. Yeah, so actually there is a DeFi, I believe, dominance chart too as well. So that's also something we can take a look at too. In the long run, Ethereum opponents are positioning the blockchain project to be a censorship-resistant base layer operating in the background of tomorrow's internet. The concept is generally referred to as Web 3.0 and will knit today's social networks with integral money systems. Ethereum took a significant step towards the goal on December 1st with the release of new blockchain, the Beacon chain, which brought which brought in staking pledging funds to support the network rather than mining. The upgrade is part of one of the 3 in a series of transitions to upgrade the current Ethereum network towards a blockchain capable of handling the entire financial system. Yeah, and that's really, this is Web 3.0, the backbones of the internet. Is going to be based on some of these blockchains too in the future. So folks, things are looking relatively good as of right now. Lots of bullish news on Ethereum, and I can't wait to jump into the charts. We're going to take a look at it here in a second. Ethereum price finally beats 2018 all-time high. Here we're taking a look at some of the charts. A 3-year hodl for ETH investors finally comes good as a largest altcoin surge in unknown territory on Tuesday. ETH, the largest altcoin by market cap value, finally reached new all-time highs against the US dollar on January 19th. At the same time, Bitcoin futures open interest has also reached a new record high of over 4.5 billion according to Glassnode. The chart of Glassnode open interest with Ethereum, and you can just see how actually record high this is soaring here. If we take a look at the chart here, it is just actually really soaring for the most part with the open interest on some of these exchanges here that are listed. So let's go back over here, and Ethereum price is back after 3 years. Existing record Tuesday, breaking 1428 on Bitstamp. The achievement, which resets a price ceiling in place in January 2018, came Ether gained 15% on the day. Year-to-date returns of nearly 100%. The altcoin benefited from interest in decentralized finance. Trading built around Ethereum network within the context of bordered altcoin resurgence, which began taking shape in early January. Yeah, so a lot of this is due to actually the DeFi pump coins too as well. And if we're also taking a look at some of those DeFi coins too on our Patreon page. So if you want to join us over there in our Patreon membership, you can join us over there. But we are actually putting everything on Discord. So once you join Patreon, just make sure you give me your Discord username so that way I can add you to our private category on the Discord server. So let's jump over on into the charts and get transferred over there. All right, folks, looking at Bitcoin here, we were kind of looking at 2 different price ranges, as you know, in our previous videos. Bitcoin sitting right at about $37,000 as of right now, as we're making this video. So trying to hold support above $37,000 is going to be a little bit of a struggle for us. But as Ethereum is pumping, we're probably still expecting these moves sideways with Bitcoin here in the near-term future. So let's kind of zoom in just a tad bit here. And what we can see is we've really been keeping a close eye on our 2-hour time frame. We've been looking to retest this trend line up above head on us really quick. So yeah, we've seen this trend line here, and we have a price target drawn out for us there that we are probably coming back up to retest here in the near-term future. So I would definitely look for another push. It does look like we found support above our 21 EMA. We have crossed bullish here with our 21 in our 100 on our 2-hour chart. Our lowest price target would probably be about here, about $33,000. And then if we break below that, obviously we're looking for a little bit more of a downwards momentum. But I think we probably have the momentum to probably push through this. As you know, some of the options tradings are expecting probably a big rally here at the end of the month. And so we can kind of take a look at that as well and see something that is to occur. So with that being said, we've made another trend line here that we're kind of finding support at. And as we start to tick-tock these trend lines up to the top side here, it's definitely given us a nice level of support to probably anticipate another larger move that is ahead of us. So we could actually even zoom in on these charts here, maybe at the 90-minute time frame, and possibly draw another ticking formation to the upside too as well. Something of about right here that we could be finding support at too as well. And yeah, then we're just going to look for this consolidation out here probably in the next day or so, and then maybe expect a big break from that. So, as we start to make these moves further to the upside, they're giving us nice support, and then we're probably going to end up making a parabolic move to the upside, which would be absolutely incredible. But Cipher B, for the most part, if we zoom out here on Cipher B, we can look at our 12-hour chart, and we can kind of see down here how we are starting to get these nice tight green momentum wave triggers to the upside, and that's definitely probably more or less going to lead us to a nice little rally to the upside too as well here in the near-term future. But we'll just have to wait and see how this wants to play out. We're keeping a close eye on everything. Taking a look at the daily chart, folks, our daily chart has given us also a green dot here once again on the daily chart, so we could start making our next move back up above into this higher range too. But we want to be a little cautious as Ethereum is pumping, because we do know that these markets like to teeter-totter between Bitcoin and the altcoins. So we'll have to wait for some of these alts to kind of settle down just a tad bit, and then maybe expect Bitcoin to make a large rally move since then. So that's what we're kind of keeping a close eye on, folks. Don't forget, if you're brand new to this channel, we use the market cipher indicator by CryptoFace and the market guide buy and sell signals, along with the TI sequential by Tone Bays. So if you want to pick up any of those indicators, you can check the links in the description box below. We have reference links down there for Market Cipher, and Market Cipher is an all-around just a great buy. It's our bread and butter on this channel. It's a 3 indicator package, and the Discord community is freaking awesome. CryptoFace is a big supporter of this channel too as well. So thanks for all your support, everyone. And if you want to pick those up, you can check the links in the description box below. So let's take a look at the dominance chart, see what's going on here. Have we started to find support on our dominance chart? And it looks like no, we haven't. We got this break out of the symmetrical triangle, and we've continued to kind of sell off here for the most part. So we'd probably want to wait to see our dominance kind of settle off, maybe start moving to the side just a tad bit, and then maybe Bitcoin will be expecting a break. So it does look like we're starting to lose some of the dominance just because of the Ethereum rally that has taken place too as well. But we're going to be keeping a close eye on it. What we want to see is something on Cipher B here on the daily with the green dot to send us back to the upside too as well. So, it's going to take a little time for us to probably recover, but I think that once our dominance starts to move back in the other direction, that's when we can expect Bitcoin to probably make a nice little rally there too as well. So let's take a look at Ethereum to finish us off today on today's video. And folks, we've hit our second price target. You can see here we've had our couple of price targets drawn out for us here. And we're breaking out of this somewhat of a ascending triangle here, and we've actually tested our fib level too, breaking that $1,400 level, as y'all can see here, breaking above our last fib level that we had drawn out here, $1,400, breaking its all-time high. So ETH is definitely on the rise, looking really, really strong here. Just a nice pump out of this somewhat of ascending triangle to lead us back to the upside. It looks really, really good and healthy for ETH too as well. We had some charts drawn out for us here. We sent this over the weekend for people to take a trade on inside of our Patreon page, inside of our Discord server, and lo and behold, we broke to the upside. So folks, don't forget, you're going to get all the different altcoins that we like to trade in and out of this market. Also, a lot of the altcoins is part of our hodling bags too as well. It's stuff that we like to accumulate on the dips, and we also trade with a little bit of percentage on that too as well, but we don't really trade with our whole bags for the most part. You shouldn't be either. But yeah, the 10-hour chart looking relatively good here. We do have Cipher B that's also kind of moving with a nice green dot to the upside too as well. So yeah, it more or less, this is looking like it probably wants to make another nice little pump. 2-day chart, no sign of a green dot just yet, but we probably will be more than likely putting a green dot with another little pumpage back up above here. And I'll have to work on some of these charts and draw out some of our next price targets for Ethereum. But I'll definitely be updating our private trading group page first when it comes to that. So keep an eye out for that. If you're in our private trading group page, I'll be making our next price targets for Ethereum to see where we could be headed to next. But as right now, we're starting to consolidate around that topping out area and in this top of the fib level here that we have drawn out on our chart. So folks, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every single video that we make on this channel. We keep you informed pretty much every single day, keeping you up to date with what's going on in the Bitcoin altcoin market. And yeah, with that being said, folks, I'll see y'all on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.